In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and export graphics for screens in Adobe Illustrator. We'll start by making sure your document is set up for screens. Go to File, then Document Color Mode, and choose RGB. RGB is optimized for digital displays because screens use light to render color. If you leave your file in CMYK, which is meant for print, your colors may look dull or inaccurate on phones and monitors. Switching to RGB ensures what you design is what you'll see. Next, resize your artboard to the exact pixel dimensions you need. For social media, a common square size is 1080 by 1080 pixels, but you should match whatever your platform or project requires. The artboard defines the export area and final pixel size, so getting this right avoids scaling later, which can soften your graphics. If you're working on multiple sizes, set each artboard to its specific dimensions before exporting. If your design includes photos or other raster images, optimize them for the web with a resolution between 72 and 150 dpi. This keeps files lightweight while maintaining clarity on most screens. Vectors stay crisp at any size, but raster content can bloat file sizes if it's too high in resolution. Aim for the lowest DPI that still looks clean at 100% zoom. When you're ready to output, head to File, Export, and choose Export for Screens. This tool is designed specifically for digital exports and gives you control over formats, scales, and multiple artboards in one place. Select the artboards you want to export and set your destination folder so your files land where you expect. Choose the right format for the job. Pick PNG when you need transparency or sharp edges on UI elements and logos. Use JPG for photographs or gradients where small file sizes matter more than transparency. Select SVG for icons and simple illustrations that need to scale perfectly on different devices. SVGs stay crisp because they're vector-based. Set your resolution scale next. Export at 1x for standard displays and add a 2x version for high-density or retina screens. Delivering both ensures your graphics look sharp across a range of devices without manual resizing later. Finally, save your master file. Keep an editable.ai copy so you can revisit layers, text, and vectors for quick updates or size variations. Treat this as your source of truth. Export